Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We found the BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor, model FP1600B, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this food processor is all about. The BLACK+DECKER FP1600B is a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance designed to make food preparation easier and more efficient. With an 8-cup work bowl, it provides ample space for all kinds of chopping, slicing, and mixing tasks. This is particularly useful if you're preparing meals for a family or if you just like to batch cook your favorite recipes. One of the standout features of this food processor is the food chute with a pusher. This handy addition guides your ingredients toward the slicing and shredding disc while the processor is in action. It ensures that you get consistent results every time, whether you're slicing vegetables for a salad or shredding cheese for a casserole. The design is intuitive, and you'll find that it helps make the food prep process faster and more efficient. Another great aspect of the BLACK+DECKER FP1600B is its dishwasher-safe removable parts. After a busy cooking session, the last thing you want to deal with is a mountain of dirty dishes. With this food processor, you can simply detach the parts and pop them in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This feature alone can save you a lot of time and hassle in the kitchen. Safety is a top priority with kitchen appliances, and this model includes a safety interlocking system. This means that the blades will only operate when the lid is securely attached to the bowl. It's a reassuring feature, especially if you have children around or if you're new to using food processors. So, who is this food processor suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking but wants to cut down on preparation time, this appliance is perfect for you. It's also great for home chefs who often find themselves overwhelmed with chopping and slicing tasks. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or someone with more experience looking for a reliable tool, the BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor fits the bill. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture this: it's a busy weeknight, and you've decided to prepare a homemade stir-fry. In minutes, you can chop your vegetables, slice your proteins, and even prepare a delicious sauce, all with the help of this food processor. Or perhaps you're hosting a gathering and need to prepare a large batch of salsa or guacamole. The 8-cup capacity means you can make enough to feed a crowd without having to stop and empty the bowl repeatedly. From making bread dough to shredding cheese for your favorite pizza, the BLACK+DECKER FP1600B is versatile enough to handle a variety of tasks. You can even use it to create healthy dips, like hummus or pesto, by blending your ingredients to the perfect consistency. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor, model FP1600B, is an excellent addition to any kitchen. With its spacious work bowl, convenient food chute, dishwasher-safe parts, and safety features, it stands out as a user-friendly and efficient tool for all your food prep needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.